Teapot makes me look like an amateur anytime, you know, road routine stuff.
Hey guys, I'm Fred, Anyvalidname. I'm going to solve this Rubik's Cube in less than 5 minutes. Now of course, first step in solving the Rubik's Cube is getting it unsolved. And
several people who had noticed that, hey, it's not in there, he's right, you know.
Yeah, so I'm going to solve this in 5 minutes or less. Starting now.
And that was during the period of time when Russ was under investigation because of the stuff Otter had said. So apparently Russ attended Teapot and felt don't say anything. Don't talk to him. You got a question, you ask me. You know. Well, now people are looking at this, particularly Garland, says that Russ has told his people not to talk to him at all, not to ever speak to him. She's against that. Yeah. And Russ said, I never said that. Well, he has said that before, but I'm not going to remind him of it because it was all about not. So I figured no sense of bringing it up. But anyway,
You see, the way I solve a Rubik's Cube is by basic algorithms, just simple little codes of movement that I have learned, memorized. I have memorized what they are and what they do. There is I guess most people who don't own Rubik's Cubes don't know this, but Rubik's Cubes are all sold as a 7-step instruction booklet teaching you 4 basic algorithms that you will need to solve a Rubik's Cube, and 3 basic algorithms that I have found no use for. And so now, I'm going to make the finishing turn. And now this Rubik's Cube